Hello guys, welcome to GeoScreen, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed by hitting the subscription button at the bottom corner here. You leave a comment, a like, and even share this content to your friends on your social media, and let us keep it GeoScreen, right? So on this video we are going to look on how to convert a PDF file into a JPEG or else into an image, right? So for this process, you first need to have a PDF file, the one that you're intending to convert it to an image. And this one is the PDF that I'm going to take you through with. We need this PDF to be converted to an image. So to convert it, we'll first open it in Word. So you right click, you open with Word. Alright. So once it opens in Word, you just select it, right? You select, and then you'll notice that this selection here, right? This one shows that the PDF is selected, and then you right click and then you save as a picture, right? You just navigate to the folder. We have PDF to an image, so we have it as M1, or else that is image 1. It's a PNG. Then we click on save, and this is what we are having. It's a PNG. You can notice that there are many pixels here, showing that there is no data here, but the data is only in the lines and the text, right? So assume that we don't want a PNG, but we want a JPEG. So if we get back to the Word and then we right click, we save as a picture, and then we select the folder, right? Then we have as M2, and instead of PNG we have JPEG, right? So this is what we are going to be having. We have saved it. Let's get to this. It's an image JPEG, you can see, but you can notice that some data is missing and it's even dark. So this is not what we want. If you can check on the properties, it's unrated, right? So for us to have a JPEG from this PDF, we have a PNG. So we are going to deal with the PNG here. We right click it and then we open with Paint, alright? So once it opens in Paint, this is what we have. A PNG in Paint, right? So we are going to click on File and then we save as JPEG, alright? So we have it as IM3, it's a JPEG, and then we click on Save, right? Any transparency will be lost if you save this picture. Alright, we want that because we want a JPEG, right? We don't want no data or else any kind of transparency in it. We want a JPEG, so we click OK. And then this is what we have, IM3. You can see it's a JPEG, right? And if you compare this one to our PNG, this is what we are having. No data, pixels, but only the lines and the text is storing our data, right? So simply that's how it is, converting from a PDF to a JPEG. So we have opened our PDF in Word, and in the Word we have come up with the PNG, and then we open the PNG, we open it with the Paint, and then we save it as JPEG, alright? It's free, offline, and simple, and easy as well, alright? So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.